space that you can see.
Yeah, so that's just completely like the bone.
There's no space here. So
yeah, so it's like a ball joint on a car, kind of. You just don't have the bushing. The
yeah.
bushing is gone.
Right, yeah, exactly.
So it should have like a little
There's not enough grease for that thing right
like
there.
a little piece of cushion in here.
It should be a space yay wide between the bones right there.
Oh, it's just gone. So
Gone.
So if you did an MRI patient, you see little pieces of bone probably chipping away.
Yeah, I mean, this is what's going on right here. You got little loose bodies in there. That's what these are. It looks
little
like
bone pieces.
Yeah, this is a little bit of calcium bone probably coming from there.
What is that?
That's it. They're sitting down in here.
Oh, that's those two.
Yeah, that's them.
They're just shooting all over the place.
They're sitting in a sack that's all around your shoulder here.
So I'll be honest. Sometimes in the morning too, it feels like my shoulder's frozen for a while. Is that?
Yeah, this would get stiff. I mean, that's where if you're not moving it, it'll stiffen up. In the old days, that would just be one bone and it stops moving, stops working.
Really?
That's how the body takes care of this problem. Eventually, those bones fuse together.
Really?
And then stop moving.
So you just be stuck.
You'll be stuck. That's right.
That's amazing. Oh.
So anyway,
so right there, go back to that. So that right there is similar.
Yeah, this might be these are these little stones right.
So you can't see any tear there.
This is the front of your front. They're out here somewhere.
Okay, you don't think I tore anything?
Well, it's hard to tell really.
Like,
the X-ray doesn't show the soft tissue, so I doubt.
Does that show a little cushion there? Is that what that is?
This is a little joint up there. That's this thing right up here.
Okay.
And
that's pretty good. That shoulders.
That joint looks okay, but it's
just this piece.
Yeah, that's it. Terrible. And you got this little extra bone growing down here. That's a spur. And that comes from too much pressure to the bone because there's no cushion in it.
It's trying to do whatever it can to try to supplement itself. So right here we have a nice little chart of anatomy and injuries of the shoulder. And pretty much I have no cushion in between the bones, bone on bone. Essentially, I had a partial rotary cuff tear the other day. If you look right down here, you can actually see what this is here, where it basically tears away, and the ligaments tear away. But the most excruciating part is that bone on bone. It's just miserable pain. Can't even pick more arm up to my side. It's insane. So looks like we're going to be having surgery. Not what I want to do, but don't really have an option at this point. I will say this, the doctor was great, really smart, well-informed person. I enjoyed seeing him. He doesn't do the surgery, so I was referred out. This was at it's Henrico Doctors, actually, really good guy. And he went over everything with me. I don't really take narcotics, so I just got prescribed a mild, really mild painkiller. It really doesn't do a lot. Tramadol, I believe, and Ultram, I think. It's not really. It doesn't do much. It just makes me feel like crap. Really, it doesn't do anything at all. But yeah, it's better than taking a bunch of Tylenol. So when I was working on that Subaru ball joint the other day, using that air hammer, this is what happened. I literally ended up tearing my rotary cuff on my left side. It already has a lot of issues with it. I forget the exact wordings the doctor called it, but it's pretty bad stuff. So that's just some of the toll you take when you do what I do. It's not all fun and games all the time, guys. It's a lot of beating up on yourself. And my right arm works well, so it kind of works out good. I still can hold the camera with my left hand and film with the right. But I may be down for a little while. We'll see how it goes. I'm headed up to MGM Grand, though. We're going to focus on a little Texas Hold'em. I'll see you guys there. Peace.